Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 60, comparing quantities. We are in section A, easy. Let's start. Sam invested rupees 15,000 at 10% per annum for 1 year. If the interest is compounded half yearly, then the amount received by Sam at the end of the year will be. Here, you are now dealing in compound interest. Compound interest means what? The formula for compound interest is this: A equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100, the whole raised to N. This is amount, right? By this you will get the amount. Then when you subtract the principal from this amount, then you will get the compound interest. So the question asked over here is only amount. So only this formula is required. A equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. Now there is one catch in this. In this formula, it is given that compounded half yearly. Now see here, one important part. When interest is compounded annually means per annum, percent per annum. In that case, the formula used is this: A equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. Remember? Now, if you are doing it half yearly, means what? Every 6 months you are giving the interest. What is compound interest basically? At the end of the cycle, the interest is given to the customer and added to the principal. And then for the remaining cycle, the next interest is calculated on the principal plus this interest which we have given. Now, so logically, if my cycle is annual, means if I am giving annual interest, then in a year, how many times will I give the interest? I'll give the interest only once because it's annually. Now if it's half yearly, then how many times will I give the interest? In that case, I'll give you 2 times, right? Because 6 months and 6 months. So when I give the interest for the first 6 months, that interest will be added to the principal, right? And then for the remaining 6 months, the new interest will be calculated on that principal plus the interest which I have given. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.